Why I open?
It's so warm.
I'm not supposed to know. I'm not supposed to know.
Hey, Delish!
Nobody's supposed to be
Alright guys, we're there. Out and about this man, we're going to Portland, we're going to do a pre-birthday celebration. You know, and we're there with Kira.
Palmz with Kira.
Remember that. So, stay tuned and see a whole lot more. And just enjoy the day with we. You get me, I say? Enjoy the vlog as well. Make sure you like, subscribe and follow. And remember, on the go over Vibes with Kira page. You hear me, I tell her?
And go subscribe, people.
Remember that, clap that T. Oh, go on. Yeah, man, that's side we are drive, man.
Alright, let's start a second.
Mario. You love text it up.
Me, you know? Remember me? Yeah, me is 100.
Don't be turn up though. I saw me look good.
Wait. You know, girl. Ready?
Nobody not a pen. Can't write the name.
You write the name. I write my name yourself.
Go pin out for them, man.
I'm over there to say the name.
No, a St. Thomas this.
St. Thomas.
It's a St. Thomas, a wicked apartment.
So come now,
I want to
pop now. Come now.
Rami ready.
Wait, go outside with the girl him. Go outside him with the girl him. Come out that road.
Ladies, come. Carry come.
Wait.
One time.
Wait.
They,
One extra one. Come in and show na camera.
hello.
They can edit it. Okay.
Come now, birthday girl.
On the next side, please, and thank you.
Come gentle lady.
Come now, jump up fast and quick.
Wait.
Ready?
Wait, no, one, I'm
What we're gonna do it with make it fly the cameraman in there.
Hold it up in her ear.
So Roxana, pull off this first.
No, video. Thomas right now vlogging. We are go Frenchman Cove and we just go with a nice vibe with the crew and yeah. But well, I'm showing the sign as well.
Yep. So guys, Portland, you're missing out, and guess what? I'm in St. Thomas.
Wait!
We're in St. Thomas. So 1 foot in, 1 foot out.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna reach this I wanna expect. Yeah, beautiful area.
Everyone, close their eyes. Close their eyes. Let's take off the glasses. Everyone, close their eyes. Close their eyes. Oh, you know, say I woman for the eye. Close their eyes. Close their eyes. Close their eyes. Mafias, open your eyes. All right, close their eyes. Close their eyes. Close their eyes. Doctors only, open your eyes. Perfect.
Close eye.
Close the eye. Everybody understand now. Why I open?
You tell me what mean.
You're not supposed to know. You're not supposed to know.
I get it.
Nobody's supposed to know that.
Mafia.
I can't tell us time. Hold on, I can't tell us time. Wife kill him.
We feel something.
No, I think I can't.
I feel like a Kevin still, you know. Kevin, I feel like I used to, you know.
Oh my name. Everybody is. Why somebody else choose a kid?
Yeah.
Wife kill him.
Your wife kill him for real.
You know anything about him?
Mario say know anything about him?
Who thinks it's Kerry?
Me. Wife kill him. Wife them.
One, two, three,
Yeah, man.
4, 5, 6. Next to me was Kevin. Who thinks it's Kevin?
Me, we don't know man.
No, but I never do that.
That's a 5.
Yes.
Oh, what me you like it? No.
You're mine.
Kevin. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Kira, put up your hand, Kira. You know, hand up.
6.
I'm five. And then I vote already. The wife.
5 man. 1, 2, 3.
No, but where's the context, Montana? Because okay, she said she have to vote. You never tell her what she have to vote for. Oh!
Yeah, she said she have to vote for somebody.
Kevin to 5 and Kevin.
Kevin, a five, man?
Yeah. I will say the hand to Kevin. I'm going to count properly. Brittany, you're not doing anything. 1, 2.
Brittany, put up your hand, man. What you do?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Seven.
How much people left?
Who you vote for? Yeah, who you vote for?
Alright, hands up.
Seven Roxanne.
7?
Yeah.
Guys,
Man, I'm mafia 80 man.
remember, nobody's supposed to know who you are.
Nobody.
So, my clothes. Me same team.
What me do, man?
And the game not even start. My female walk. Yeah.
So you see me? My woman. You sure not the DJI? Are the DJI?
So she
Me not.
him.
So,
Yeah, miss one.